Hey guys, welcome back to Cianni's World. It's your girl Cianni. Today we're gonna be making an Oreo mug cake. And today I have a special guest, Mommy.
Alright guys, so make sure you like, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell.
Alright, so first thing we gotta do, our hands are clean. We have to scrape the cream out of the cookies. So let me show you. We're gonna get a butter knife to be safe, guys.
And if you need help, call a mom, a dad, a grandma, or an older sister.
You got it.
All you're gonna do is make sure the Oreo does not break. It cannot break. You just twist it, and when it starts to get loose, don't just pull it straight off. You twist it off, and then you take a butter knife off. And if you want, you can eat it.
No, don't do that. Be clean in your kitchen.
That's real good, guys.
Alexa, play Gregory Porter.
Here's some music by Gregory Porter on Amazon Music.
What does it do with the icing on the knife? Hi guys, we took all the cream off the cookies, and now we're gonna grind them up with all the dirt. And when we grind them up, it's gonna look like dirt. Ding. Okay. So
Alexa, resume. Let's put them in.
Oh, I bet you can use that. You guys, it looks exactly like dirt.
You gotta put it this way.
Looks like, hey guys, we got our cookies all crumbled up. Look at that. And now we're gonna let me pour the sugar. I poured the sugar.
We have a half a cup.
Okay guys, we got all of that. Now we're gonna put our Cool Whip in the same bowl. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to get, guys? Add it, please. Okay. guys. I'm just gonna turn on our flame. Turn on the heat. Mommy, is it okay? Because this one is the one I ripped off. I washed it off. Did we put it in that table? Okay, guys, you don't really need a spoon. Look at that. You just gotta squeeze. Squeeze out your Cool Whip out. And if you need to, just look at this. Just take that. You see how easy that was? Instead of just taking a big spoon, getting all of it out. Yeah. That's all you need to do. Huh? There's a little more left. You want me to put that in? Huh?
If you can get it.
Okay. Make sure you don't get Cool Whip all over your mom.
This guest isn't gonna come back.
Huh?
I thought I was a special guest, so I'm not coming back if I'm gonna be getting dirty in the kitchen.
That's what you're gonna. Your hands are dirty. You're not. Are you fine with that? 3, 2, 1. Turn
Wait.
back on.
I said wait.
I want to turn it back on.
All right, slowly.
3, 2, 1, go!
No. You're moving too fast.
This is not fun.
Alright, now as you're stirring that, we're going to put our cream cheese mixture into the pudding mixture.
Okay, so Mommy's going to do this now.
Alright, so we're going to put our cream cheese mixture into the pudding mixture.
Did you
And
add
then,
some more sugar in there?
I did. And
Can
then
we
we're going to
taste
put
it now?
that little bit of cream that we scooped out of those cookies all in here.
Can we taste it? See
It's
if
good
it's
enough. I promise it's enough sugar.
Okay, so I really need my dad to help me.
Yeah, I'll hold the bowl while you scoop in.
Okay. Sorry, you guys. I know it's taking me a while to get this. You'll regret it. Well, not regret it. You'll see why. This is going to be an amazing cake. Sorry. I just wiped it all out on your finger. Okay. Just a few more. We're going to pause, you guys. Boop.
Okay. That was a boop like a... 1 second.
Okay, we're for real going to pause you now. Pretend like we actually paused.
Pause the thing, child.
Okay, guys, so we got all of our things in there. Now we're just taking the icing that we got off, that we took off in the beginning of the video, inside of there. That's part of the cream. And now you're gonna take.
Wait a minute.
Oh, you got more? Wait, why are you adding that? 3.
1 second. Let me wash my hands off.
Boring. I'm done. 3, 2, 1, chocolate.
Can you wait 1 second?
Let me see, I can do the rest.
Stop before that falls.
Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Don't put it up.
How about you just move it?
Yeah, I want to hold it if you keep pulling this frosting. Cut it off.
So take all that frosting from the side. Wait, pass me it, Mommy. Oh, you got dirty hands.
My hands are clean.
Oh, I thought that's why you had water on them because they.
I just washed them.
What is all the yellow stuff?
The pudding is not all the way mixed up yet.
Oh, just mix it some.
I'm gonna take this out and the rest will just stir it together. So hold that.
Okay.
1 second.
Mommy? Sorry.
Alright, go ahead and stir it.
And guys, look, you see this? Mommy, go ahead. Here's me, I guess. You see all this yellow in here? If you see yellow and the mixture's not going to the bottom and mixing up as it's supposed to be, because this is a big batter if you want to make this at home, take your spoon and go, and if you just scoot it, you can take your spatula or your spoon, look to see if there's any yellow, and if there is, get the stir in. You'll ask the kids or the grown-up. And when you even see some yellow, this is what you need to do too. And our dirt cake is still sitting over there, where our dirt is still.
Let's see. Make sure it's all stirred up. All right, so we are ready to make the layers of dirt cake. Now, normally you would put this into an actual flower pot so it could look like an actual dirt cake, but we were short of time today. You know, after school we had gymnastics. Then I had to run to Publix and get the ingredients, so we didn't have time to get the actual flower pot.
That's what you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to put it in a mug.
Mug, flower pot, either or. So the first thing, we are going to sprinkle our bottom layer with our cookie crumbs for a bottom layer of dirt. Huh? Yeah, we are.
Okay, you guys. So we're just gonna
Don't pour. No. Put it with the spoon because we need enough for a few layers.
Sorry, because it's making it. I'm not.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Not so fast. You see how you keep making a mess? All right, that's enough. All right, so we want to make sure it's even layer on the bottom.
Okay, we need some.
No, Cianni, because we want to even layer on the bottom. Now, we're going to put a layer of cream. Let me get another spoon. All right, so I'll do the cream. You do the.
Oh, I want us to do one of the.
Because we don't want.
Can I try some of the cream? Not try, like eat it.
Well, I'll let you do the next layer, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
They gotta be even.
I thought I was about to put it on top. Do I put it on top after?
After this is all even across.
Spread it.
All right.
Wait, can I spread it some more?
Yeah, just don't mix with the dirt.
Okay. Don't mix it.
Right,
I
don't mix
just
it.
want to take some.
Nope. You did that. All right. Time for another layer of dirt. Go ahead and sprinkle it across. Oh wait, let's show them what it looks like so far because I don't think they can see. All right.
Do you use all of this dirt on this one layer?
Nope. We gotta do one more layer. Sprinkling across.
How many cakes are we making with this?
That's it.
So, and then after this, we're gonna have to put it in the microwave.
No, it stays cold. Put it in the refrigerator. Come on.
Other people on TikTok put it on in the microwave.
It gets nice and stiff. You're not sprinkling it across, so you're not gonna have enough for our top layer.
Wait, stop, no more.
No, let it mix with the cream. a little bit more right here.
Pass it to me.
And just a little bit right there and right there. A little bit cookie.
Just like that.
All right, stop. All right, so